Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. That noise you hear is my dryer, you guys. It makes this awful noise. And it's not even that old, okay? It's only 2 years old, but yeah. Anyways, sorry about that, but I have to film today, you guys, because it's the only time that I have right now. So, do you like? Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. I love my nails, you guys. Let me see. Yeah. Love them. Okay, so today I just want to do a quick unboxing. This is a brand new shop to me, okay, you guys? This little package is from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop on Etsy. I'm not going to show you the other side. There's nothing but my address, and we don't want to see that. So let's pull it up. I just had my nails done, so they're like super like tender. I can't really wow, I might have to cut this package, you guys. Yeah, I can't do that. So there we go. I have a huge package from another shop that I'm gonna share in a couple of days with you. There we go. But I just wanted to open this one because I have never purchased from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. So let me take my address out of here. I see it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Okay, I just ordered a couple of things, you guys. So let me see. There you go. All right, so let's leave that. I don't even remember what I got. Okay, so I know I ordered a set of the postcards. Let's see. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is original art, and it's so pretty. Happiness is something special in the mail. Oh. I just thought they were so pretty, especially this one. I wanted this one. Oh, and this one, and this one. Oh my goodness, it's so cuter than I thought. This is beautiful. I love that typewriter and the mail truck. Aw, snail mail is better than email. Love that too. Just an old-fashioned note. Oh, so I'll be sending these notes to friends. It comes with the envelopes and the seals. Yeah, look how pretty. Envelope seals. All right, so that's my first set. And this, I think I ordered stickers. I'm pretty sure. So let's take a look. Look at this beautiful, this must be a thank you. Okay, so this is her little thank you note. There you go. And what's in here? Look at how beautiful this envelope is, you guys. Rose gold. Oh, and you can use it actually. Oh, nice. Okay. So she was having a sale. I can't remember. But it was Black Friday. It was a Black Friday sale. Thank you for... okay, so here's another thank you note. And this is what I ordered. So I ordered this whole kit. This washi. Okay. Matches. Oh, yes. It was $1 a sheet. So did I get 2 sets? So it should be 8 sheets here. So 1, 2, so pretty. 3, 4, and this stickers, they're actually bigger than I thought. I thought they were gonna be super small, but they're not. I don't know how many is there. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this was part of the Black Friday sale. This one's right here, the set. And then I purchased the thank you cards or the blank cards. And I purchased the cards to match. And then I don't remember if this was part of the set or not. So let's take a look. Oh, no. This is enough. This is part, yeah. There were 2 different bundles. So this was 8 stickers for $8. Yeah. Okay. So I purchased the 2. This one and this one. Look how beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. So this is the second set that I purchased. So this was part of that 8 sheets for $8 special she had on Black Friday. So this is the first sheet. Oh, the colors are so pretty. So pretty. Oh, look how pretty. And everything looks so pretty together. Oh, these ones are very different than those. Oh, and it has another typewriter. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on. There's a pink and a purple. Where's the other one? Here. Look, you guys. Look how pretty the typewriters are. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, so these were the specials. This right here. Okay, what's going on outside now? You guys, I don't remember if this was part of the set. I don't think so. I think this is a freebie. I think this is, I don't think I purchased this, you guys. I don't think it's part of this. All right, so I got those, and now this right here, look how beautiful she packaged this. Let me open it up. That is so cute. Let's see. All right, friends, so I untied this little package. There we go. And I love this presentation too. It's so pretty. So different. Let's take a look. Got it. Let's see, and we can keep the charm. So all of this is one set right here, you guys. This, what's in this little package, and I'm gonna show you. Okay. There we go. And this is the, oh yeah, look at this. No. Let me show you. The other side. This is a pocket journal. Pocket journal with hand illustrated cover. Oh, and it has 2 sticker sheets also. Okay, let's take that off. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. And it has her signature here, Jojo. This is hand painted, you guys. Yeah, you can see the strokes here on the cover. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. And it's lined. Look. So lined pocket journal. And let me show you the stickers that come with it. Oh yeah, and they coordinate with the cover. So this one's coordinate with this one. Look at, and then you have some script and the flowers. And this comes in this set, and the charm, and it's wrapped so beautiful. Oh yeah, love that. So this is my small haul from Black Friday, and this is a brand new shop to me. I actually follow them on Instagram, and I don't know, I always watch her stories and whatnot and her posts, but I never purchased because I'm very interested in journals like this, you know, pocket journals or TNs. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And look how pretty that is. Beautiful. All right. Okay, you guys, so this is, I'm gonna leave you the link in the information box, and you'll find Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop on Etsy and also on Instagram. Okay, and this is her original art, that I know for sure. I love these notes. Everything is beautiful. Wow, so pretty. Okay, you guys, so I think I'll be using this in my Hobonichi weeks, or maybe, I don't know. Actually, I thought the stickers were gonna be so small, but they're pretty big. This one is like maybe 1.5 by 1.5. Where is my ruler? Oh, here. Oh, no. Well, I don't know where's I don't know where my stuff is, you guys. So, okay. Well, they're larger than I thought. So, but you'll see this later. So this is day 5 of Planmas, and I am super happy. This is very pretty, very, very delicate and beautiful. So yeah. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like always, I will see you on the next one. Bye.